Hey sir, that game's not working.
Just press the red button 3 times.
Oh, thanks. Hey sir, I pressed the button 3 times and it didn't work.
Did you hold the coin slot while you pressed the red button?
Oh, okay, thanks. It still didn't work.
Did you put your left foot on the other button while you held the coin slot while you pressed the red button?
Okay. Now what?
Oh, did you forget to put in the $100 before you do all that?
What? I'm done. You come check it out.
Oh, this one's broken.